So to transform or convert V string into a W string, we need both insertion and deletions in the V string. So without these insertion and deletions, we cannot convert V string into a W string. So we will see by using the edit graph how we can convert the V string into a W string. So here we can see here the two strings V and W, and they have the sequences. The red means that they are identical at these points, and green means that they have the missing alphabet, and during alignment, so the alphabet is missing. So the above figure, it represents that the longest common subsequences of length 4, because we have 4 identical nucleotides, so its length is of LCS is 4 for the string V and W. And the shortest sequences we need to convert V into W are the 2 insertions and 3 deletions. It means that we have to add 2 insertions, means in the gaps position we need to add G in this position, and we need to add A at this position. If we add G and A, they will become identical. And we also need 3 deletions, means we need to delete G. If we delete G, it will become space here and it will be aligned. Again, we need to delete T here, the space will be created here and it will be aligned. And the third deletion will be at A, space here and it will be aligned. So for alignment and conversion of V into W, we need 2 insertions and 3 deletions. So we will see the same pattern or solution by using the edit graph. So these are 2 edit graphs. In the first edit graph, we will compute the similarity. And we know that we will compute the similar sequence SVW that we have already calculated, that is 4. And we know that V and W have a subsequence, that is TCTA, means that's T, C, T and A. So these sequences are present in both of the strings V and W. So if we will put the values in this graph, we have written the sequence T, C, T and A. So it means that these are the subsequence of V, and similarly T, C, T, A is the subsequence of V. So this is the W. We start from T, G, C, A, T and A. And out of these, the alphabet that are in the circle form, they are the subsequence of both V and W. So we'll start from this position 0 and 0. So this will be 0, 0. And we will move further, that is T and T. So here is T and here is T. So we will calculate this one, T and T. Next is G. Again, because there is no alphabet in the V, so we will consider it as G here, but we will not move in the next position of the V. So next is G and C. So we will move C and C here. So we will move in this direction. This is C and C. Again, the next is A, and there is no alphabet in the V string, so we will move only in the A direction. So again, next is T and T. So we will move further T and T. So it is T and T. So similarly, we will move one by one and we will get the path like this. And we will reach at the end. This is T. This is the solution of the this matrix by using the similarity between the two strings, that is subsequences. But in this graph we will see the distance. It means the insertion and deletions. We can use insertion and deletions, and we can again get the same sequence of V and W. As we have seen that we need the 3 deletions and 2 insertions. So for example, we can see the sequence of W starting from T, then it is G, then C, A, T and A. And similarly the sequence of V is written in this direction. So we know that if we remove the A from V, that is the first alphabet, and second deletion is G, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position, and if we remove the T, and on the other hand, if we add the G at the position number 2, or if we remove the G from W and we remove the A from W, then we again get the same result as we have achieved by using the similarity. So in this graph we are using the dissimilar or distance between the two strings. So by using this we again get the same pattern as we get in the similar graph. So we use either the similarity or the dissimilarity. Dissimilarity means we either use the insertion or deletion, we will get the same pattern as we get for the similarity. So if we want to find the longest common subsequence problem, we need the input and the output. And for this purpose we need the common subsequence, as we have seen in the previous. So the input will be the 2 strings V and W, and the output will be the longest common subsequence of V and W.